How to report missing item Instacart. To report missing item on Instacart, you just want to make sure to open up your Instacart app on your device. After which, you just want to make sure to go to the cart or profile initials from the top of the page. There you want to go to the order section, right? When you go to the order section, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the specific order that you like to report. Now select the specific order and select get help or report a problem. Then you have to choose missing item or related such as incorrect or damaged. Select the specific item that were missing from your delivery and submit your report to receive a refund or credit. Note that not all issues automatically qualify and some items may require in-store return as well. And this is how you're supposed to report missing item in Instacart. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If none of these procedures work, you know what to do. Directly contact support team, let them know about it and they will be able to look into your matter.